Tall Master. Cargo carrier. It says easy assembly, no drilling required. But in previous review videos on YouTube, it said it would have been nice if it would have came with a cargo pin for the tailgate. So I bought one. So before I unbox this cargo carrier, I'm going to go check and see if I got the right size. So let's take a look. Yes, it fits perfect. Let's see. I got it on. Here we have it. Alright, that's, I guess, half of it. Interesting. Another box here. This is the instructions. Well, here's the bag of bolts, and I'm looking at it, and I'm seeing the cargo pin. So that's telling me that there is a pin for the hitch. Right here. So I don't know if the people on YouTube that was reviewing this didn't receive one or they lost it. I don't know. But either way, I'm going to use the one that I bought because I think it's better quality. So let's get this piece together. First step is putting the two pieces together. They are separate, as you can see. So I have done that. And there's a gap here, but I believe there's going to be a support bar there. So here are the two plates. One for the front and one for the rear. I'm guessing this will be where the tail lights are at, facing out, because it has the name brand on it. So that would be on this side. So let's see if we can't get this together here. This go here. But it's supposed to go like this way. And I believe this lifts up and lines up with the holes. Okay, so I believe it gets lined up like this. Let me go ahead and get the bolts and attach them. Okay. These are called hex bolts. So I'm going to unscrew this. Line this up. Put the washer on. Ah. Don't know why these are not wanting to go on all the way. Let me see if the other one does that. Okay, I got the bolts on. They're not flush, as you can see. So that's as far as I screw in. So I'm thinking along the way it's going to have something to where it will make it. Now my next step is to put on my support braces, and they will go up and under here and across, like so, but underneath. Let's see, I don't know if I can do it while I'm holding the phone. I can just like this. I don't know if I can. Under here. Just like that. And then bolt them in, and of course do that one on the other side. Okay, the next step was after putting in the side support beams right here. Don't bolt them in yet, because you've got to put your center supports in and then bolt them in. I did the first one for you. So put this side one in, and then you're going to slide with this facing outward like this, with the holes facing out, and you're going to slide this in like that underneath between this bar and this bar, and then you're going to bolt it in. And we're using the short bolts. Alright, I got all the center brackets on, and then there was this center bracket here that's been screwed on. So that was fairly easy, and then the only thing I had left to do was put this on. Now remember when I said it came with an extra Carter pin? Well, the reason is because this is a flip up one. This one doesn't actually go to the to attach the tailgate. So this is to flip this up so that the cage can be flipped up when not in use. So that's what that one was for. So yeah, so all I really had to do was slide in the middle brace and then attach this. And remember, I was saying there is a gap between these, and the bolts, let me try it on this one, are really loose. It's because we have to manually tighten them, because it has that special rubber inside to ensure tightness after tightening them. So that's what I'm going to be doing now with these. So I'm only going to show you on a couple of them. because I got to go through and do every single bolt on here. So basically, these are really loose. And I'm just going to put this on here. Kind of in a weird position here. And there you go. Okay, I got everything together. And this is the heavy-duty folding cargo container. The directions are self-explanatory, easy to follow, and it doesn't take a no-brainer to put this together. It's an easy assembly. Just follow the instructions so that you're not repeating yourself. But yeah, overall, my experience putting it together was pretty good. Now I'm going to go and try to install it onto the back of the truck. Alright, got it kind of leaning up against the hitch there, so hopefully I can slide it down and then it will have an easy slide in. Let's try this. Just got to line it up with the hole. Pin here. There you go. I got it on. Haul Master.